There was a story of Saint Augustine, no, yung feast day last week. Si Saint Augustine may kwento about dalawang kambing doon naglalakad sa bundok in a hill. Pero one way lang. One way lang yun. Pag dalawang sabay sila, yung isa mahuhulog. Yung isang kambing naglalakad, isang kambing opposite direction. So ngayon, nakikita na yung dalawa. Ano gagawin natin ngayon? Oh. Alam nyo, yung isang kambing, talagang yumuko, he lie down, he allowed the other goat to walk on sa likod niya. So both of them patuloy in harmony sa kanilang paglalakbay. And that is, the point of the story is about humility. Pag may nagpakumbaba, may harmony, kapayapaan ang pamilya. Pero lahat ay ma-pride, wasak na wasak ang puso ni Nastimak. Okay? So, humility brings harmony, unity. Ito yung tema ng ating Ebanghelyo ngayon. No? That's why it's about humility. No? Sabi nga dito, that humility means to accommodate the will of God. Inuuna mo ang Diyos, ang kapwa, huli na yung sarili. And that is an act of humility. You give God space in your life. Humility is not about personality. Yung iba talaga tahimik. Ibig sabihin tahimik, mabait yun. Makita mo yun sa Facebook. Pero may tahimik yun. But again, humility is not about personality. Real humility is when we accommodate the will of God sa buhay natin. Inuna mo siya. Yun ang humility. That's why the word humility from the word humus. Humus means soil. Lupa tayo. Diba? God created us out of clay. Ang nagkabuhay tayo because God breathed on us the Holy Spirit. That's why walang kabuhay-buhay pag walang Espiritu Santo. Sabi niya, our body becomes the temple of the Holy Spirit. That's why the Holy Spirit give us life. So here in the Gospel, Jesus used the parable of, sabi nga dito, when you are invited by someone to a wedding banquet, do not recline at table in the place of honor. A more distinguished guest than you may have been invited by him. And the host invite you, both of you will approach you. Ito ka. So, ibig sabihin, pag ang Kristiyano, well, it is a parable. Ibig sabihin, ang Kristiyano ay hindi inisip agad ang sarili ang importante. Diba sa wedding guest, itong guest ito, inisip na importante siya. That's why